Hi, in front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to open the menu, and to do it, press and hold the middle button. Once the menu opens, you can use the upper and lower buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the settings icon. By default, it should be already selected. Then press the middle button to enter the settings. And in settings, as you can see, the first option selected is Do Not Disturb mode. And we can enable it or disable it by pressing the middle button. As you can see now, it's on always off option, so it's disabled. But if you press the middle button, you can change it to always on. That means that it's gonna be enabled until you turn it off. And also you can press the middle button again to change it to mirror phone. This option, basically, if you enable, what it does is if your watch is paired with your phone and you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on your phone, it's gonna also enable the Do Not Disturb mode on your watch. And if you turn it off on your phone, it's gonna turn it off on your watch. And if you press the middle button again, it will switch to always off. You can basically toggle between those by pressing the middle button. And once you're done, you can simply press the upper button to select the home icon and press the middle button to go back to home screen. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.